This is a question from 2023 A21 CCEA Mathematics exam. It is an implicit differentiation question, and somebody has messaged me to ask me if we can multiply through by y first of all before we differentiate, and I suspect the answer is yes, that we can. So let's have a wee look and see. So we had originally 3y squared plus 2x minus 3x over y is equal to 5. If you multiply everything through by y, you will get 3y cubed plus 2xy minus 3x is equal to 5y. Now what you want to do is say differentiate with respect to x. You don't write down, so do not do this, do not write down dy by dx is equal to, because your dy by dx will be built into this thing. Now we're going to differentiate this thing first. This, unfortunately, you can't differentiate this directly with respect to x. So you've got to differentiate with respect to y to give you this, and then slap on a dy by dx. That's the easy way to do it. So what you've done is you've really differentiated with respect to y and then multiplied by dy by dx. That's the easy way to think about it. Now if we differentiate this, we're going to differentiate the 2x first. It's going to give you 2, then leave the y. So this is really a product. So you're differentiating the first and then just writing the second bit. And then what we want to do is differentiate the second bit. So if you differentiate your y with respect to x, you get dy by dx. And then you've got 2x. Then differentiate 3x with respect to x, you just get 3. And then over here, differentiate y with respect to x, you just get dy by dx. And that was 5 in front of it. Now what you want to do is bring all the dy's to one side. I'll bring them all to the left hand side. So this is all my dy by dx's, and everything else I'm going to fire over to the other side. So I had a minus 3 goes across and a 2y goes across. Then we'll collect all the dy by dx's, so factorize out a dy by dx. And then the last thing we want to do is dy by dx then is equal to 3 minus 2y all over 9y squared plus 2x minus 5, which would work. And that is absolutely fine. So your dy by dx is in terms of x and y, as I asked in the question, and that's it. So it's maybe a slightly easier way than I had done in my solution for 2023. I quite like that method. I think that's quite nice. So there we go. We can do a slightly different method.